Which is the largest ocean on Earth? Correct answer, Pacific Ocean. The deepest part of the world's oceans is? Correct answer, Mariana Trench. The ocean current flowing along the western coast of Africa is? Correct answer, Canary Current. The Sargasso Sea is located in which ocean? Correct answer, Atlantic Ocean. The Peru Current is also known as? Correct answer, Humboldt Current. Which ocean has the largest number of marginal seas? Correct answer, Pacific Ocean. The Gulf Stream originates from which region? Correct answer, Gulf of Mexico. Which ocean current is called the warm blanket of Europe? Correct answer, Gulf Stream. The equatorial countercurrent flows in which direction? Correct answer, west to east. The Great Barrier Reef is located along the coast of? Correct answer, Australia. Which of the following seas has the highest salinity? Correct answer, Red Sea. The primary cause of tides is? Correct answer, gravitational pull of moon and sun. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is an example of? Correct answer, divergent boundary. The cold current flowing along the western coast of South America is? Correct answer, Peru Current. Tsunamis are generally caused by? Correct answer, earthquakes under sea. Which ocean is the smallest in size? Correct answer, Arctic Ocean. The Ring of Fire is associated with which ocean? Correct answer, Pacific Ocean. The deepest trench in the Indian Ocean is? Correct answer, Java Trench. Which ocean current moderates the climate of Western Europe? Correct answer, Gulf Stream. The warm current flowing along the coast of Japan is?